Hi there. If you're here, I'm assuming that you are at least a little bit curious about the keto diet. So, what I want to do in this short video is give you a little bit of information about what the basics of the keto diet is, a little bit about me, and my goals and reasons for starting this channel. Hi, I'm Tiffany, and I'm here to guide you on your journey through the keto way of life. Let's get started. So, at its very, very basic level, the keto diet is a way of eating in which you eat very, very few carbs, moderate intake of protein, and a high intake of fat. Now, at that last one, you're probably going, wait a minute, I want to do this keto thing because I want to lose weight, and you're telling me to eat a bunch of fat? I want to lose the fat. Yes, I know it's very counterintuitive, but it works. And this video is not where I'm going to go into why that works. That's for another video. But just for right now, believe me, it does work, and there's some scientific reasons behind it. Now, a little bit about me. Whenever I started the keto diet, I started with the goal of losing weight, just like most people do whenever they start the keto diet. And I did. I lost weight, and it worked, and it was fabulous. I had tried many other diets before, and they never worked for me. And when I say they never worked for me, it wasn't because the diet necessarily was bad. It's because I couldn't stick to the diet. The keto diet was the first diet that I found that I could stick to because I never felt deprived. I could eat yummy foods. I felt full. So that really worked for me with my goal of losing weight, which is why most people come to the keto way of life, okay, or the keto lifestyle, as I like to call it. And but then I also experienced these other great benefits. One of them was that my high blood pressure took care of itself, and I was able to get off the medication, prescription medication that I've been taking for high blood pressure. And you know, that's a pretty serious medical issue, so that was great and quite the relief to me. And the other most profound benefit that I wound up experiencing on the keto diet that I was totally unprepared for was that I have had chronic depression all of my life, and it's always been treatment resistant. Once I started on the keto lifestyle, my depression significantly decreased, and my life has never been the same. So those are just, there's many other things that people experience amazing benefits on the keto diet. Those are the three that are most profound and important to me. So I became so passionate about the keto lifestyle that I became a certified keto diet coach. And I started this channel because whenever I started, it took me weeks, if not months, to really get started truly on the keto lifestyle because I was so overwhelmed and confused with the information that I needed, and I was fumbling around, and I don't want that for you. I started this channel so that you don't have to fumble around like I did. You can go ahead and get started and get going. I want to bring you information about the keto lifestyle, to make it simple for you, to bring it to you in a straightforward way, and make it where you can start the keto lifestyle with zero stress. Okay, so that's my goal for this channel, and I'm looking forward to being with you on this journey and seeing all of your comments. And I really encourage you to not only like and comment, but to subscribe to the channel so that you will be notified whenever I upload new videos, which I will be doing every week. So I'm so glad you're here. Welcome to the keto lifestyle, and keto on and stay strong.